Here we have some marinated chicken breasts. I'm making it for 2 people, and the way I made this marinade is the following. So we have half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 crushed garlics, and we have a thumb size of ginger, and I've actually shredded it. And we can't forget the 150 grams of yogurt. Put all of this together and make a marinade. That's what it's going to look like. Now you need to put it in the fridge minimum 2 hours to 24 hours is fine. Okay, so once you have marinated the chicken and you have left it overnight or minimum 2 hours in the fridge, we're going to place it in the oven. So preheat the oven, 200 Celsius, and leave for, we're going to do it for 25 minutes. So while the chicken is cooking, we want to add 1 chopped onion, 2 crushed garlics, and 1 grated ginger. A thumb size should do it. And wait about 5 minutes until you can see it that it's getting nice and brown. Okay, so now let's make some space like this. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of paprika. If you don't like it too spicy, you don't have to add cayenne or paprika. And 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. That is should do it. Just put it all together and just wait until you can actually smell it that is cooking. Then add it all up. Okay, so we'll put it all together, and we're going to add the tomato puree, 1 tablespoon. Add it together. Just brightening it up a little bit. I've just turned it down. And we're going to add 400 grams of chopped tomatoes. Add it all up. There we go. And we're going to turn the heat down because we want it to simmer. So we have left it simmering for 20 minutes. We're going to add coriander. If you have fresh coriander, that would be great. This is some frozen. 150 ml of milk. I'm adding almond milk here. And if you have, that would be great, mango chutney, 3 tablespoons. And leave it simmering for another 10 minutes. In the meantime, you can put some rice to cook if that's your option, so that you can get that ready. So while our sauce is simmering, we have taken out the chicken. It's cooked, but we want to add it to our sauce. I'm going to cut it into slices and add it into it so that it cooks with the sauce. We have added the chicken to the sauce. We have 3 minutes left of the seasoning, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt to this. Not too much because we can season it later once it's done. It just needs a few minutes.